Monday mark. Farm animals. It was 2nd October, a holiday, and had a chance to visit a farm of a friend with other 2-3 friends after a long time. The farmhouse was in a vast open land. He had grown some kitchen vegetables which could be used daily. On the other hand, he also had farm domestic animals like rabbit, hen, cow, goat, etc. All of them were seen at a common place, and it was a very nice view to see all of them together. One of the friends asked, "Why do you have so many farm animals?" My friend replied, "I like all these farm animals. These all animals were to be taken to a slaughterhouse. I freed them and have been taking care of them. People who have earned from these animals once, they sell these animals to the slaughterhouse as they have become non-productive for them." Friends, today is Mahatma Gandhi's birthday. This day is also known as World Farm Animals Day. It is celebrated in his memory because he believed that treating all living beings with respect. This day was founded to highlight the poor conditions suffered by some of the farm animals and promote awareness with the hope that something may be done to improve the lives of these innocent creatures. The first World Farm Animals Day was celebrated in the year 1983 as a part of the international movement for the rights of the farm animals. Friends, do take care of these farm animals and make your